Today I'll be showing you how to set up this Wi-Fi outdoor smart plug with Apple's HomeKit. It's also compatible with Alexa and the Google Assistant, but I'm going to use the HomeKit feature for this one. So this is the box it comes in. Inside we have the quick setup guide along with the code for HomeKit. And then the plug itself here. So it is a standard 3-prong plug with this pretty thick and heavy duty wire here that connects to the actual plug. On the side here we have I believe it's going to be an on and off switch, and also a switch to reset the plug if you ever need to reset it. It does come out to a single 3-prong outlet, but that's pretty much what's in the box. Let me get this plugged in and I'll show you how to set it up. Okay, now to show you how to set it up, just for demo purposes, I'm doing this inside. And I would recommend you doing it inside. That way when you're done, you can just unplug it and plug it in outside. And you don't have to worry about doing it outside if it's cold or whatnot. So I'm going to install it using the Home app from Apple. Simply click on the plus sign. It's going to ask you if you want to add a new scene or a new accessory. I'm going to add a new accessory. And just for demoing purposes, I have a little light here. Like I said earlier, this switch does turn it on and off manually if you wanted to do that. So anyway, so we're back on here and it's asking us to scan the code. And there it is. Doesn't matter if it's upside down or not, it recognizes it. And then we have the plug here now on our screen. Connect it. It's going to start connecting. It's asking if you're going to allow this accessory to join your network. I'm going to go ahead and hit allow. This does take some time sometimes, but there we go. It's connected. So it just turned itself on and off just to acknowledge that it is working now. So then you're able to name it here. So I'm probably going to name it outdoor outlet or outdoor Christmas lights, whatever I want to add it later. Do it here. If I want to add any of my scenes that I already have programmed, not now. And then, oh, I didn't put it in a room, but where did it go? There it is. I'll change the room later, but it's a pretty easy setup process for this outdoor light switch.